Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blend two videos on CapCut and creating a mask and blending videos. So here, just add the two videos that you want to edit like this and make one of the video as overlay. So I'm going to click on the second one, then click on the overlay button, and in here place it under the first one like this. And after that, just click on the overlay video and go to mask. Okay, and select the mirror options, the horizontal options, and here rotate it into a 90 degrees like this. Okay, after that, just click on the check icon, and in here you can adjust the position. Let's go to the mask again, and in here you can add some feather. So drag this arrow to add some feather effect. Click on the check icon, and you can just reposition the two videos so it will blend naturally like this. You can also zoom in or correct the size of the video. Okay, so this will be the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.